202 Auburn, you got a motor grader at the left lane.
Can you come out now, man? I don't know why you want to get up in there, but you ain't going to be able to go nowhere. You got a truck stuck up in there.
I see some trucks stuck up there.